What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get the Duskfang Leather Gloves in Crimson Desert. These gloves complement well with a dark armor build. In terms of stats, they provide 14 points in attack and 6 points in defense, with level 1 in critical rate and lightning resistance. For Abyss Gears, it offers an additional 3 points in defense, with health regeneration of 0.2 points per second. These are found southeast of the town of Hernand, and to the northwest of the Steel Mountains. It's right between the Castlewood ruins and this stray path over here to its south. I'll zoom in closer so you can see it's not inside the ruins map marker, but a bit to the south of it, exactly where my waypoint's at. When you get there, look for some walls while facing south, until you find this doorway blocked by steel bars. What we're gonna do next is to assume the blinding light stands, and focus the light towards these bushes over here. Keep focusing the light towards them until they burn, and wait for them to crumble where you'll find a lantern. Light up that lantern, go back to the doorway, and the chest will now be accessible. Loot it, and you'll get the gloves. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.